If you want to drop in content into your files at a click of a button, Microsoft Word's Quick Parts feature is a tool you need. Quick Parts allows you to save different types of content into your template or computer. Phrases, blocks of text, images, even whole pages. If you have blocks of text such as different disclaimers, you don't need to memorize or copy them. Click a button and add it into your file. Quick Parts can also help you design better looking documents. Add text boxes such as this information bar to add more visual interest in your file. Do you want to add images? You can save a selection of them in a template to use and drop them into position. You can even create image placeholders and montages at the size and position you want. Here we can just right-click a placeholder, replace it with an image we want, and it goes straight in. No further changes are necessary. You can even quickly add whole pages and page layouts. Change cover pages easily. Add formatted landscape pages easily. If your document has lots of pages and you want to break it up with section pages, you can add these in too. You can even insert sections, so if you want to swap from one column to two column layouts, just drop a two-column section in. Adding Quick Parts doesn't require advanced Microsoft Word knowledge. Anyone can add these in and lift the design quality of their documents to the next level. If you're planning a rebrand of your Word templates and would like to know more about how you can use Quick Parts, contact Natalie Lawrence at design@natalielawrence.co.uk.